There are a lot of tools available to us, but the sort of one that's recent that I've been spearheading and sort of starting, and it's part of the open source, open science world, and it's called Spades. And it's a tool to help forest managers and wildlife managers and pest managers and general land managers to try to pull all the pieces from different disciplines, from the economists over here, the caribou biologists over here, the fire people over here, so that they can actually talk together. It's about integrating. We've got scientists all over the place doing awesome work. They publish their science in journals, and these journals, not to criticize them, but this idea of publishing has been around for 500 years. We are ready for new technology to start reusing science again and again, so each person's science becomes part of every other person's science.